In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email signature in HubSpot. Having a professional email signature makes your messages look polished and consistent, and HubSpot gives you a built-in way to manage this. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through setting up your signature so it appears automatically whenever you send an email from HubSpot. First, start by logging into your HubSpot account the way you normally do. Once you're in your main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your user icon there. This might be your profile picture or just your initials. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down, find the option labeled Profile and Preferences and click it. This is where HubSpot stores settings related to your user account, including your email configuration. After the page loads, you'll notice several tabs across the top of the screen. Locate the tab that says Email and click on it. This will open all of your email-related settings. On the email settings page, take a moment to scan for a link that says Manage Email Signatures. It usually appears as a small hyperlink rather than a big button, so look carefully. Once you find it, click Manage Email Signatures. This will open a pop-up window where you can create and edit your signatures. In this pop-up, what you see depends on whether you've created a signature before. If this is your very first time adding a signature, HubSpot will simply prompt you to enter a name for your new signature. Choose a clear, descriptive name, like Standard Signature or Sales Outreach, so you can recognize it later if you create more than one. If you already have signatures saved, you'll see a field labeled Choose Signature to Edit. Click that field, and from the drop-down, select the option to Add New Signature. Again, give your new signature a clear name so it's easy to manage in the future. Next, move to the main signature field in the pop-up. This is where you actually type or paste your email signature. You might include your full name, job title, company, phone number, website, and any important links. Take advantage of the formatting options to adjust fonts, add line breaks, and keep everything readable and professional. When you're happy with how your signature looks, go down to the bottom left of the pop-up and click Save. Once saved, this signature will be available for your HubSpot emails, helping you maintain a consistent, professional appearance every time you hit send.